Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on a Dodge Dart and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for your BCM module, also known as body control module. You guys have not just one fuse, not two, you have three fuses guys, so make sure you stay until the end. We'll show you where each one of them is located. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos guys on every car we get at the shop, including guys that generation Dodge Dart. We'll be making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from. Another thing guys, if you have problems with your BCM, you need to replace it, you will need to program it, and we will be making a video in the near future how to program BCM on Dodge Dart, so make sure you subscribe. First, we'll need to guys open the hood. Okay, let me go ahead, open, support, and I'll show you, okay, what we'll be doing here. This is it guys, this is the 2.4 engine, but I think it should work on the other engines as well. So, right here you have one fuse box next to the car battery guys, and I have my pliers ready because we'll need them to replace, a couple fuses now. So, this fuse box guys, okay, how you open that thing? Okay, right here there is one tooth that you're going to press in, at the same time go up after that. Okay, here you have two clips, so you need to come in an angle, pull it out. Now, if you guys look at the box, you have numbers on the back side. So, you can see how fuses are numbered, okay, with F, relays are numbered with T. So the ones guys that we need now, okay, to first check for the BCM is fuse number F01. Fuse number 1 guys. This is the first one we need to check. So this is a huge fuse guys. This is a 70 amp fuse, very big fuse. The second fuse that we need to check is fuse number 2 guys, which is F02. And this is a 60 amp fuse. If you need to buy replacement fuses, we'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can get them from guys. And you have one more fuse guys, altogether 3 fuses. So the third one is fuse number 6. How you replace those guys? Okay, this is number 6 right here. You grab it guys, okay, some models may have a relay here, so it's the first fuse after the relay. I grab it with the pliers, but before I remove any of the BCM fuses, I would recommend guys to disconnect your car battery. Why? Because otherwise you can burn things, you can damage the BCM. So always have the car battery disconnected. We have the video on the channel that explains how to do that. Now all we have to do, okay, grab it, really strong by the way. Okay, and pull it out. Now these fuses guys, the good thing about those, you can tell if they're burnt or not pretty easy, okay, from the element inside. If you're not sure, we have a video that explains how to test fuses. So this is it guys. When you're ready, all we have to do, just push it back in, align it good and push it all the way in. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.